This is very cold here. The highest mountain of Almaty, Kazakhstan. Ooh, lamig guys. My goodness. Yan ang outfit ng Lord. Hello guys, kaya pala ng iba. Yeah, bring winter jacket. Hindi ko alam guys na malamig dito sa God. Cold. Uy, mulipad ang aking sombrero. Umangin na. It's windy now. Woo! Ay, ako. 3,200 feet pala to dito guys. Ayan, ayan. 3,200 feet. Highest mountain. Ay, guys, ang lamig.